It's me, KingHuman, and this may be the most important video you watch in your entire life. No exaggeration. In 1 minute, I'm going to turn you into a millionaire, if that's what you want. So here's what's going to happen. I am going to show you a still picture in just a few seconds. Pause the video and read the text that is on this image. Life-changing. And then start the video again. I'm going to blow your mind, and it's going to be so powerful that it's going to make you a millionaire. Check this out. Okay, so it's all about perception and perspective, isn't it? If you can change your perspective and change your perception of what's real and what isn't real, amazing things happen. Incredible opportunities open up to you. Things you never recognized as opportunities before suddenly become cash cows, because now you can see them before you could not. Now, I want you to take this lesson and apply it to your life. Are you a millionaire? If not, why not? You can be a millionaire if you want to. The problem is, you've been programmed to believe that you cannot be a millionaire. And you've been programmed by the school system primarily that did nothing more than turn you into a source of cheap labor for the plutocrats. They did not want you to turn those plates over so that you could see what the reality was. They wanted you to see their version of what reality is. And that is, you can't be a millionaire. You're nothing more than an employee, and you have to take what we feed you. You have to take the salary that we think you're worth. Well, now that you understand the power of changing your dynamic, you can do that, and you can apply that to your life. And you can flip plates over at will like that and see the reality. And the reality is, you don't have to work for somebody else and take a lousy paycheck. You can be fully self-empowered and become a millionaire. I speak from experience. I used to be a stupid truck driver. And then I learned how to turn the plates over. I learned how to change my perspective. So now I want to show you something, and I want to give you something to act on. Now that you've got an open mind and you realize that you have a lot more power in you than you were led to believe. So with that in mind, I want to show you on the screen right now. What you're looking at is the kind of money I make every day, every week, every month. It just comes in on autopilot. I'm not showing you this to impress you. I'm showing it to impress upon you the power of what happens when an idiot like me, a stupid truck driver, unlocks his mind the way I just showed you how to do. Now, I make this kind of money through my own membership type websites. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly step by step what I do so that you can duplicate that. And it's not going to cost you any extra money. You're not going to have to go find an expensive host. I'm going to give you everything you need when you get my training. All you need is my training. Go become a member of the KingHumanElite.com. You'll be able to do this. And it won't cost you anything extra other than what I charge you for my training, which is very minimal. And for that, you're going to get a step-by-step training that's going to show you how to do that with no extra cost out of pocket. I'm also going to give you a lot of products that are done for you that you can sell in your membership website. Same way I'm doing, just like this. It's going to make you this kind of money. Potentially. You just have to follow through. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my personal private voicemail. So if you need help from me, I'm here to help you. something nobody else does, nobody else would do in a million years. without charging you a couple of $1,000s extra. So anyway, I hope you got a good takeaway from this. And the takeaway, if nothing else, if you don't become a member of my website, thekinghumanelite.com, that's fine. I don't care about that. It's not going to change my lifestyle even a little bit. What I want you to take away from this, first and foremost, is you have much more power in you than you were taught. And you have to unlearn the garbage that they programmed into you, which is you're not capable. You're not capable of being a millionaire. You're not capable of being a success. You are. And you just have to give yourself permission and act on that. You have to give yourself permission to be a millionaire. And you have to follow through. All right, there it is. Maximum respect. Hey, share this video with somebody that could benefit by this knowledge, which is almost everybody. All right, cheers, bayonara, adios.